Hello, fellow residents. Are you looking to travel internationally, but feeling overwhelmed by the thought of packing efficiently? Well, fear not, because today we've got you covered with some smart international travel packing tips that will make your journey a breeze. Tip number 1. Create a packing list tailored to your destination. Take into consideration the climate, local customs, and activities you'll be engaging in during your trip. This will help you pack only the essentials and avoid overpacking. Tip number 2. Invest in travel organizers to maximize space in your suitcase. Packing cubes, compression bags, and garment folders are great tools to keep your belongings organized and compact, allowing you to fit more items into your luggage. Tip number 3. Opt for travel-sized toiletries to save space and comply with airport regulations. Make use of refillable bottles and mini containers to carry your favorite products without adding extra weight to your luggage. Tip number 4. Roll, don't fold. Rolling your clothes not only prevents wrinkles but also saves space in your suitcase. This packing technique is a game changer, especially if you're packing bulky items like sweaters or jackets. Tip number 5. Pack multi-purpose items. Make sure your clothes can serve more than one function, going smoothly from outdoor adventures to out to dinner. Choose items that can be worn in multiple ways too to save space in your luggage. Tip number 6. Invest in a TSA-approved lock to keep your belongings secure during your travels. This small investment provides peace of mind knowing that your luggage is protected from tampering or theft. Bonus tip. Use a portable luggage scale to weigh your suitcase before heading to the airport. Avoiding overweight baggage fees is essential for a stress-free travel experience. And there you have it, smart international travel packing tips for UAE residents. With these tips in mind, you'll be well prepared for your next adventure abroad. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks and inspiration. We wish you happy and safe travels.